Hello, my dear student. Today I will repeat chapter 5, section 1, inverse variation. This is the section, chapter 5, section 1, page 182. First step, we have to know what means inverse variation. Inverse variation is a relation between two variables, x and y. Inverse variation is a relation between x and y. If we multiply x by y, always you get same answer, k. X times y is inverse variation, or sometimes we can write it like y equal to k over x. This one inverse variation, and this one is also inverse variation. For example, y equal to 5 over x. This is inverse variation. And k is equal to 5. And y equal to minus 3 over x. This is inverse variation. K can be any number. Don't forget, please. K can take any number except 0. Positive, negative, fraction, any number except 0. Decimal. This one is not inverse variation, not inverse variation. Like y equal to x plus 5, y equal to x minus 2, y equal to 3 times x. This is all not inverse variation. Okay? This one, x over y equal to 2. It's not inverse variation. Okay. Now, sometimes we have example to find what? To find the constant, or to find one variable, the value of one variable, x or y. Let me solve this example. The y varies inversely as x, and given this is all, y equal to 3 when x equal to 12. We have value y, we have value x. A, find what? Find the constant k. Answer A. As you know, inverse variation given is y equal to k of x. Do you have value y? Yes, y is equal to 3. Look. Equal. K. Do you have k? No. You have to find it. X is equal to what? X equal to, 12. Now, from this one, we can find value of k. How? By cross multiplication. K equal to 3 times 12, 36. Now we have value of k. B. Find value y. This one is unknown, question mark. We don't have value y, but we have value x. How you can find y? We have the equation y equal to k over x. Do you have value y? No, we have to find it. And k, yes, from a we found k. K is equal to what? 36. X now. Do you have x? Yes, x is equal to what given? 2. Replace 2. Now we have y. Y is equal to 36 divided by 2, 18. Okay, this is example to find the constant and the variable x or y. Another example. If x and y vary inversely and y is equal to 3 or 4 when x equal to 24. Find a, k, b, find x if y equal to 6. Okay, let me solve it. A, find value k. As you know, x and y vary inversely. Then we can find y is equal to what? K over x implies. Do you have y? Yes, y is equal to what? 4. K equal to what? We have to find k. X equal to 24. Now find k. K is equal to cross multiplication. 4 multiplied by 24. K is equal to 4 times 24, 96. Okay. Now, B. Find value x if y equal to 6, y equal to k over x, because the given is x vary inversely. Do you have y? Yes, y is equal to what? 6. K, yes, we have k is equal to 96. Replace over x, and now we have to find x. Cross multiplication. 6x is equal to what? 96. Divide by 6, divide by 6. X is equal to 96 divided by 6, 16. Okay, then we have value of x. That's all for inverse variation. We need just inverse variation in this section. We don't study direct variation, okay? Only inverse variation. And you have some example homework. Okay, your homework. Try if y varies inversely as x and y equal to 5 when x is equal to 3. Find a the constant k. B, find y when x is C, find x when y is 45. Okay, C. Another one, D, find y when x is equal to 35. Okay, please try this homework. Okay, last part in this section is inverse function. This is inverse variation. Y equal to k over x. Inverse variation, and this is f of x is equal to k over x is inverse function. And k equal to 1 means f of x equal to 1 over x. This one you have to know it, very important. F of x is equal to 1 over x is inverse function. Okay, the graph of inverse function is let me graph inverse function. This is y-axis, the vertical, and the horizontal is x-axis. And this point is origin. Zero, zero. The graph of inverse function is always this one. From left to right, approach to y-axis without touching. Look, without touching. Approach to x-axis without touching. It's never cut x-axis and never cut y-axis. And this one. This is the graph of inverse function. We can put for x any number except 0, means the domain of f is real number except 0. We can put for x any number except 0. This one is inverse variation. Okay, this is, you have to memorize this graph, please. Very important. Inverse variation. What's the graph of f of x is equal to minus 1 over x? Can you describe this graph? The graph is the same 1 over x, but reflect. What means reflect? Instead of this part will be up and this one will be down. This one is the graph of inverse function but negative. What is the graph of f of x? As you know, the domain or real number except 0, the range. It's not important now, the range. Or real number also is except 0. Now, another example. Now, that we graph f of x is equal to 1 over x plus 1. The graph of 1 over x plus 1, we have vertical asymptote. We can put for x any number except minus 1. And then we graph this point and this one. The domain or real number except negative 1. So this is except negative 1. We can put for x any number except -1. Let this is minus, then this is positive. We can put for x any number except 1. X is equal to 1. Okay? Thank you. That's all for this today.